question 8. So you need to appreciate that this is really a shift. Now we don't use the word shift, you've got to use translation. And we take a point, so say for example the bottom point here, and just mark it on both shapes. Just make sure you're going the right direction. We're going P to Q, P to Q. So we can see it's 1, 2, 3 to the right and 1, 2, 3 down. Now days gone by, 3 to the right and 3 down might have sufficed, but I noticed on this answer, mark scheme it didn't. So we do need to get used to saying by the vector 3 minus 3. The top one is your left or right with 3 to the right. The bottom one is your up or down. As we're going down, that's the minus 3. So remember, a vector sort of works like a coordinate, but it's not a coordinate because it's describing a movement. It's not describing the location of a particular point. So translation, 1 mark. By the vector 3 minus 3, the second mark. Now part B, rotate triangle T 180 degrees about the point 0,1. So you use tracing paper for this. Mark your center of rotation 0,1. Get your tracing paper out. Go and mark the shape T. Put your pencil on the point 0,1. Swivel your tracing paper around 180 degrees. And then just push through the tracing paper to make an indentation, and then just draw over that and check your answer afterwards. Go back and check that you've got it right. Now one little tip here, on your tracing paper, go and pop an an arrow pointing upwards to start with. As you swivel round, it makes it so much clearer to double check you've gone 180 degrees, for example, because your arrow is going to be pointing down. Had the question said 90 degrees clockwise, well, your arrow would be pointing to the right, and so on. So that's your answer. Use a ruler. Mine doesn't look like you should do, but you should use a ruler.